Sanibonani Dumelang Mzansi, welcome to CMTV and yet another episode of Niyathembana. Now, do you trust each other? My name, of course, is Lisa Serame, bringing you the heat and I fix, I destroy, I neutralize. I'm back and unbothered and back to fix the country. Let's get it.
Sanibonani Dumelang Mzansi, welcome to CMTV and yet another episode of Niyathembana. Now, do you trust each other? My name, of course, is Lisa Serame, and I go around these streets testing your loyalty, and in the process, of course, I make sure best believe if you are Yuruza, I will find you. Stay tuned, it's about to go bananas.
I will, Lams. I'll invite you. I will. Okay.
I would love to see you doing your...
Yeah, I'll invite you, Lams. Very, very soon.
I want to ask you more, invite you more to especially a special person. But you
don't drink alcohol.
Doesn't matter.
Oh, it's fine, I'll give you tea.
Tea?
You don't like tea?
Tea?
What are you going to drink? I'll give you tea.
Ay, tea ngiyaphine tea. Ay. Ngiyaphine tea.
You know why don't you want tea?
Boma juice, boma 100%, sushi.
Juice makes you fat. I'll give you tea and sushi.
I don't drink tea, that's a problem.
Why not?
Angithandi.
Tea is so good for you. I drink tea a lot.
Oh yes, you look like tea.
Oh, you're so annoying. Now take couple.
My
And so hey. Hello, hi guys. How are you? I'm good. My name is Lisa, okay? I'm from CMTV on YouTube. We basically just go around doing couples quizzes. So would you be willing just to do a quiz?
Yes, sijahile.
Sijahile. How are you feeling? My scat, are you willing? So head of the home, ithethile zona ufuna uhamba. Alitshatile ntombazana uzothi mtata. Thina simnike respect engakakonarishi.
Into ndimnike enzela baye ba.
Azokunike.
Ayazi ke yakhe.
Hayi ntombazana.
Mina nangxaki andimazi ke yena.
Awunangxaki. My scat. Uthi doesn't have an issue.
Asachahanga kanti maye.
Nijaheni yaphi na?
Asiyazikhipha vena.
Guys, kupholiwe lokushida kunganyanga. Kupholiwe, akupholwanga lokushini. Exactly.
Ay mina ingone bibaye.
I feel like you're hiding her. Awumfihli? What is like you don't want to be seen with her on camera?
Oh, manipulation.
Yes. Manipulation 101, darling. No, but nyani ke nyanthina ngafuna ubona nawe ku camera.
Kutheni ungafuni? Ithi into yakho but.
Sijahile kanti sokhohliwe uthi kumele sifike watshaya mina.
Sizofika apho siyakhona singoku siqala ngale kuqala.
Hayi awumeyancane.
Wena?
Futhi ungasibuza mina sisanangxaki.
Awunangxaki.
Ungasibuza mntasi.
Okay.
Ngifuna sibuza yona.
But kaloku bhuti azofuna uphendula.
Akazikwazi kaloku funeka ephendulile into leyo azayifihla. Akakwazi kaloku funeka aphendule.
The lady of the hour has spoken, Izan. Oh, sorry, ngathi siyakufosta ke but come through, son. Son, I just need you on this wall, my skirt in the son. Yo. Iquiz uzoyenza ethele engathandi. Just here. Okay, miss on my left, gent on my right, please. Okay, my skirt name?
Precious.
Precious and?
Bongani.
Bongani, how long have you been? You smell good, Bongani. How long have you been with Precious?
It's been 2 years now. It's been 2 years.
Unomona dlamini just because Bongani smells good. Indoda yakhe into kakamandi mntasi. Nguwe. Don't umkhethisile. Uyamkhethisa.
Ndim kaloku.
Okay.
Neqaqa.
Bakho kumama ekhaya uyamqoqosha umuntu wakho. Good for you. You guys have been together for 2 years, no?
Yes, 2 years.
Okay, where did you guys meet?
Sahlangana mall.
Emil. Okay. Morgan, in the 2 years you guys have been together, you haven't been suspicious of anything?
Lutho.
Nothing?
Nothing.
Okay. Are you sure?
100%.
Okay. Precious?
100.
Nothing? 2 years younger than us?
Sithi into akho nto. Sentsho akho nto ikokisayo man.
Okay.
Hayi sikumjolo wethu.
And then what is it that you like about him? Sorry.
Oh yonke into torho. Atho kabhuti. Sentsho yonke into man ngaye. Uyemva nawe unwa kamanje.
Yeah.
Sentsho. Isiphatho yonke into man.
Okay. I like that. Bongani, what is it that you like about her?
Yonke into nami. But kakhulukazi personality yabo.
Yeah, she's got a nice personality.
Yeah.
Okay.
Ngishaya double D ding dong.
Okay, nice. And then on a scale of 1 to 10, how much do you trust Precious?
10.
10 out of 10. 10 out of 10.
10, not out of 10.
Yes. Plus nothing. Okay. Precious, on a scale of 1 to 10, how much do you trust him?
8 I think.
8, ne?
Ugqibelele umuntu ongutata. So
Leaving 2 for disappointment.
yebo. So iqala lama disappointments likhona lo.
Of course.
Even though ndimtrust but
Yes.
laqala likhona mntasi.
No, I get you. I understand. Guys, I want to get straight to the point, ne?
Okay.
What we do on this show, we make couples switch phones. Ne? You guys switch phones and you go through each other's WhatsApps. We're checking whether or not if you're not cheating on each other. Yeah. What do you guys say?
Oh, hi. Angizwisisi.
You were always going to say no, Bongani, because you didn't even want to stop to begin with.
Inkinga manje vele iprivacy yakhe yakhe yabo. Asiwa-check amafoni nama ngi-check yakhe. Why wamele iqale namhlanje?
Why not?
Ngoba sekukhona wena.
Yes. It's my birthday. It's my birthday, guys. I know that I'm a stranger and you guys probably don't care about my birthday. But be nice to a stranger. If you guys don't do it, I don't get paid.
Okay, mna ne anangxaki mna. Anangxaki. Uyandimangaza yena xa ezongixelela ngeprivacy.
Okay.
Uthini kahle kahle ubona? Andisayiva ke ngoku.
Yes.
Ba into leyifihlayo.
Because it's never been a thing in your relationship.
You understand that?
Okay.
Ngoku ufihla ntoni?
Yeah. Bongani?
Inkinga nawe yazi vele uthi akayi-check ifoni yami nami yakhe angi-check. Why kwamele iqale manje?
Why we have phone? She's willing. It's not even me at this point. I just suggested it.
Yeah.
You're precious to the end of the episode. So you want to check his phone?
Fresh.
Ungale intoni le oyifihlayo?
Fresh, hayi.
Yima intoni le eqasiba efonini yakho?
Hayi.
Intoni oyifihlayo?
Angifihli lutho kodwa why kwamele siqale manje? Why namhlanje?
Engoku ingxaki indawoni khuphe ifone but.
Khuphe phone.
Hayi, angeke ngikhona eqala ukhiphe yakho.
Okay, we can start with yours, ne?
Akho ngxaki nemphonansi.
Okay, Kupe, you have my Scotty password or passcode, just open it for us.
Nyamphonansi.
Are you from Port Elizabeth? You speak like we're one of us. Where are you from?
Hasenqaba.
Ingqondo iphikanen. Ingase iqala lama East London.
Komthatha kaje.
Why do you speak like you're a PE girl? Have you heard how PE girls speak? Oh, okay. Never mind. Okay, go to WhatsApp. Okay, search. Does she type in Xhosa or English?
English most of the time.
Okay, type love you. Okay, what are you seeing there?
Ngibona mina kuvela mina la number yami kuphela.
Nice. Okay, delete that.
Okay.
Type miss you.
Oh, umngani wakhe.
Okay, that you know.
Palisa, yamazi uPalisa.
Okay, delete that. Type outside. Let's see who's fetching her.
Hayi.
What are you seeing?
Akuveli muntu.
Okay, delete that. Type babe.
Akuveli number yami noPalisa khona.
Okay, delete that. Type thank you. Let's see who's doing her favors. Okay. Nothing dodging. I don't see anything.
Akuveli lutho.
Okay, type pregnant.
Pregnant.
Oh.
Akuveli muntu.
Yeah, it's fine. Pregnancy scares happen. Delete. Type morning after pill. Okay, kuvela wena, delete. Type akekho. What did you see?
Angibona umbali ngapha.
But ngubani ongekhoyo?
Athi sibheke ukuthi ubani sikhona uku-understanda kahle.
Bani ongekhoyo sa? Oh. It's fine. Yeah, give your woman her phone. Congratulations, my scut. 100% loyal.
Thank you, Mama.
Sibengawe but. Mbuzi Samile, can we see what's inside your phone?
Uvela
Password, passcode. Thank you. And I got to go to his WhatsApp, ne? Hey, alright. Sana sokungena. Yo, ngangena isigaba. Okay, type. Type love you. Okay, that's you, ne, at the top.
Kuvela mna.
Okay. Okay, delete that. Type miss you. Okay.
Kuvela mna nomama yakhe no Itumeleng.
Itumeleng is a guy, ne?
Itumeleng.
Hayibo miss you kaloku kwindoda. Ithini into? Itumeleng. Itumeleng ayiso.
For sure Thabiso ngiyachatha naye angijazana phones. For sure.
So ke ngoku uThabiso funeke athethe no Itumeleng ngefoni yakho.
Akena phone maye ngiyamsiza ukuthi yabo.
Is Itumeleng a guy? Oh girl.
Masingena chami ngesibona Itumeleng. Bayi uthini lo amisi kwa Itumeleng.
Hey. Bangani sibona izinto apha.
Bongani?
Izinto zani ahlahle ngabobani nina?
It doesn't matter. We are dealing with your phone right now.
Bongani awukwazi kaloku
Oh,
uthi
ngiyangiplanela nina kushuthi indoda yakho le.
Hayibo.
Maye wayesongitshela ngabo Itumeleng engingakwazi mina.
Isefonini yakho so awukwazi uthi Itumeleng ongabazi. Ufuna ukuthini kahle kahle wona bongani?
Ayitshikelile uthi wakathabisa.
Ngoku wayephakama. Uphakamisa intoni? Kutheni uzophakama kodwa uthi wakathabisa Itumeleng? Into engokule ngozi ukuthi wena ngokuyilwa.
Exactly.
Kodwa uItumeleng lo ngokathabisa.
Exactly.
So ubona namadoda angawami. Bongani? Ithi into yakho but. Asichaze.
Angimazi uItumeleng ngesengishilo
ngichaza. Awusamazi. Akusese ngowakhe uThabiso.
Angimazi.
Awusamazi nje uItumeleng.
Do you want us to call her?
Andiyacela sham.
Let's call her.
Hayi angikhayela but. Yabona wena?
So Itumeleng would be bad to me. Not boy Tumelo if it's a girl.
Andifuna uyazi. Andifuna uyazi. Andifuna uyiqonda yangikhayela lo. Yangikhayela but wena.
Sana.
Hayi yabona wena? Hayi yangikhayela.
Awufuna uthetha.
Ngishilo musi kanti kumele ngikhulume kangaki kanti? Angizwakali kanti.
Ushilo wathini?
Hi, can I please speak to Itumeleng?
Yeah, Itumeleng avuka ngibole ma.
Hi Itumeleng.
Hayi, kithe Itumeleng avuka ngibole ma.
Iyo. Itumeleng uyamazi ubongani?
Like hona mthatha simbongani yabongani kuyamtsiba.
So wena umtsiba ima butho umsomncamela mina umtsiba kanjani ubongani?
Imtsiba jwa mina like nobongani okay singithethele isixhosa. Sinobongani siya data like it's been years data nobongani like sukuthi.
How many
Why
years?
are you asking questions about my man?
Sure.
Your man.
Yes.
So useninesikhathi singakanani ni data naye umeni wakho?
Yo, hle, akithi bo mang ne, but nna le meno ka se kana le 2 and 6 months re ratana. So like what it's in it for you?
Hayibo.
2 years, 6 months.
Okay, Itumeleng. Okay.
Wow.
Hello.
Sharp Itumeleng. Okanye khona safuna ukuyichaza.
Ay sisi, ja.
Wow.
Do you have anything to say?
Yabona maye ngisola nina nizosixabanisa maye.
Wow.
Nizosixabanisa.
So we told you to Itumeleng what to say on your phone.
Yeah, what if inihamba nonke ke ngazi kanjani mina.
So how did we put Itumeleng's number in your phone? Can you explain that science?
Yangikhayela lo. Lo
Khala kakubi.
yangikhayela lo.
Kakhulu.
Uvumela labantu
Lo yangikhayela lo.
baxabanise.
What do you mean?
Uvumela la yabo uvumela labantu ngisola nina.
Yangikhayela wena.
Ngisola nina
Yangikhayela
pheka.
wena. Khani ndeke ndimbambe bese ufuna lo mfana.
Dlamini?
Ndeke ndimbambe.
Nothing. I said nothing.
Khani ndeke Dlamini dog. Izapha wena.
Oh, uzombiza ngoDlamini uyamazi
Izapha wena.
ngihamba nonke la.
Izapha wena.
Hayi. Ngihamba nonke la noDlamini.
Akasebenzi lo. Wendibahla ezincibileyo uthengelwe ngemali yami. Lo. Wendliwa ndima okokuqala lo. Osogqiba yena ngokuye wazi bano Itumeleng wena.
For 2 years, 6
For 2
months.
years, 6
So
months.
he side chick ulanduza.
Maye
Isachiku Precious.
ungiyenzela yonke into for ukuthi uzokhuluma lento phakathi kwabantu.
Unandloni. Kutheni izapha wena. Izapha.
Pressure.
Into lengakonelisi ngayo.
Pressure. Now.
Bongane yintoni le engakonelisi ngayo bongane. Into engakonelisi ngayo.
So after 6 months of dating Itumeleng, you then dated Precious. Because Itumeleng is 2 years, 6 months, Precious is 2 years.
Kahle sengikhuluma iqiniso vele yabo. Hawu. Inkinga naye lo makabe emsebenzini uhleza ngitshela ukuthi ukhathele kuyenzini.
Yo.
Ngindoda phela idli papa.
So you must do it every day.
Every day. Kodwa yena uyenza every time, uyenza every day makabuya uthi ukhathele mangimthinta akafuni yabo ngiyenzeni.
Hayibo ndiyosebenza nisebenzela wena uyindoda kumele ukuthi niyasebenza uhlele endlini awusebenzi friend vike kusena nami ndiyophangela ndibuye pheke nenzeni osogqiba ngaho nisafuna mama sami siyolala ngikhala kakubi wena.
It's a lot of work.
Ngiyenzeni mina.
Uhlele endlini uyindoda yazi ngo Itumeleng awuphangela ufuna umsebenzi uhleli nje endlini cha hayi into nongazibe ungafuna umsebenzi.
Good question.
Khulana ezitekise imali yami futhi.
Mara nawe yazi ngithanda wena musi.
Unthanda nto unthanda.
Nawe yazi ngithanda wena into yasebusuku.
Uthanda imali kimi wena.
Ngiyazitshontsha ngo-Itu. Sorry baby.
Yo, Precious ufuna uthini ke ngoku?
Man ndifuna ndike nimbethe lo mfana. Ndifuna ngizoba right. Ngiqale ke nimbethe qala.
I agree.
Ngizoba right ke ngoku senimbethile.
But Precious, that's abuse also.
Hayi suka amadoda. Hayi.
Mshiya basikhathi uthi umbethe.
Ansamfuni vele lo.
Ngiyeke.
Ansamfuni.
Okay.
Makaye ku Itumeleng wakhe.
Namhlanje 2 year anniversary yethu. Siyayeka kanjalo.
Jonga anikhathala ngalonto leyo wena.
Hayi ke.
Anikhathala ngalonto leyo. Wena ufuna imali, untya imali wena, untya imali, ufuna imali kimi. Ayikho into oyifunayo. Uhlele endlini itwexe, awusebenza uthini? Hleli cha. Amantombazana. Unxibe mina.
Head to toe.
Unxibe mina. Kuthiwa ngusifika apha kwathiwa unweka mandi, imali yami. Imali yami.
So awumfuni at all my skirt.
Unxibe nithini? Amadoda ngamadoda sihlobo.
So uyamfuna ke ufuna uhlala?
Wami egqibeleni. Unxibe nithini?
Lesina Dlamini masami siya abantu. Okay, Precious.
Ngithini nyani ke?
Don't worry mntasi. Hlala nendoda yakho. Amadoda so they must cheat. You are so them. Ha. Oh my darling. Uyayiva Dlamini?
Umntwana.
Ngumuntu wami egqibeleni ndithini mntase?
You cannot decide for them.
We can't.
If you decide to hlala nomuntu ochithayo, that's your decision.
Yo. Azandincede ubawo ungazi bawo ngam.
Uzawuhetheka.
Angazi uThixo ngam.
No, ungathi uThixo angazi ithi
Ndiyamcenga kaloku uba Thixo ungazi.
wena ithi nje ucela ukuthi unga find out. kuphela.
Angazi uba
Because there's no way
angazavuma.
ukuthi angazi.
Angazavuma. There are men who don't cheat, Dlamini.
Aye.
I'll never fall
I'd
for
love-
that narrative about all men
Ngithi
cheat.
mina, I'm not
All
denying
men
it.
cheat in your
But I'm
world.
saying I would love to see one. Only one.
All
not
men
two.
cheat in your world.
Only one.
Equal la 5% or even 10% that doesn't cheat.
One of that 5%, please. One of that 5%.
Ayikho loo nto leyo.
Okay.
100% of men cheat in the world. 100%. Yes, you can say
Ikolo yedwa.
most men cheat or 90%.
Okay.
Yes, ndingamadoda and you guys are idiots.
Yeah, I'm only asking
But
for
not
one.
all men.
I'm only asking for one. Oyedwa nje.
Angazi uThixo ngami. Begcina kaYesu. Yo ndiyacela bawo.
Ngiyala.
Yo. Especially a husband.
Yeah, that's
Yo,
yes.
yo angazavuma uThixo ngami. Yo.
Oh, boyfriend, girlfriend.
Hayi,
Yeah. Yeah, and husband, wife.
Yo.
Yeah, that's deep.
I think
Because
it's
there's a
even
lot of
bad
things
when,
involved.
because these husbands have permanent side chicks now that they actually love.
Yeah.
That's even worse.
There's a lot of things involved when you guys are married. Lot. You understand? Akunakuthi uzovuka kusasa uthi mina ngiyaphuma ngiyahamba. You can't do that.
Especially with Zulus. I recently learned of, I learned of this when I was dating a Zulu guy, of Inyongo. I didn't know that, and apparently it's difficult for Zulu people to divorce because of that thing. Yeah.
There's no other way of untelling you ngayo. No.
Angazi uthi xa ndidibanisa nomZulu otshitayo ke bawo ndiyasithanda nesithembu sawuthela ngala nyongo ke ngoku uzawuthini.
Okay, let's say akacheat ke but ufuna ukuba nesithembu.
You are
Akutshele be open nawe nje akutshela ukuthi yazini
No.
ufuna ukuletha umama wesibili.
no.
But you can't stop him.
I can divorce. Yes, you're right, I can't stop him. But uzomstop usawuthela ngala nyongo. What's the process actually? Apparently you have to go to the family and they have to release you. Like what's the process?
There's a lot involved for you ukuthi to go back. That's why kuthiwa nje manishadile nhlukaniso.
To a Zulu person, ne?
Yes. Hlukaniso kufa.
But you can't undo ke ukuthela kwanyanga.
Undo kanjani? How do you undo that? Because
Akubikho kaloku to the ancestors ba
for the
kuyadivorsa
fact
ngoku.
ukuthi kutheliwe. Uthelwe ngayo.
But you can't go back and tell the ancestors ba kuyahlukana.
Mama. Ayenziwa leyo nto leyo.
So once you're married to a Zulu man, you can't divorce.
Ushadile. Owakho. That's why isithembu besivumela abantu abaningi because they know ukuthi angeke ngize ngibe ngiyi1 kulomuntu.
Wait a minute. So another reason they accept it because they know that they can't undo inyongo.
Hey. You can't.
Inyongo.
We undo kanjani? How do you undo?
I'm such.
Umuntu abamaziyo nangu.
So once you divorce, ke masithi utheliwe ke, ne? And you forced and you divorce. What happens to you? And you can't marry someone else.
Bad luck. Those are bad lucks. You're just throwing bad lucks to yourself.
So mthatha njalo kumZulu Dlamini ndiyikhwita ka.
You know, you have to decide first.
So it's either you decide ba ke I'm letting go of my dream Zulu husband bakuyekho.
Ngiyayeka. Angeni nokungena. Because uma ungenile ungenile. Kumele uyitshele ene ungena wakho uyitshela kumele ungene nalento ukuthi
Yeah.
angeke uzube yi1. Yabona lokho it has to be on your
No,
mind.
I'm not gonna do that. I'm not gonna do that. Yabona lapho but then I need to delusional asozondenza ndibenza
Not
bobhala.
unless uthole angithi
You know, Sotho men are very monogamous. I should rather go. They're very monogamous. I'm a Sotho. Zothatha umSotho. Do you know that I've always wanted to marry a Zulu man?
good luck.
Haya sanfun.
That's what I'm
Because I
saying. Not
can't
unless-
divorce. That's the problem. I want to be able to divorce him. I don't want to be tied
Not
to you.
unless uthole umuntu othi as much as I understand the culture yethu as amaZulu, I don't want to go there. Ngifuna ukuba nomfazi oyi1. You understand? Because it's
But
not
what if
about-
it changes his...
No.
Wait, I mean, we were talking about his temper, but now we're talking about... We were talking about Inyongo Mas. What are you talking about?
No, ngikhuluma ngomuntu angithi wena uthi angeke ungene emshadweni nomZulu ngomqondo ukuthi angaba nomunye umfazi.
Asoze.
Yabo? Ufuna ukuba yi1. So mina
If
I'm
he
saying-
does, I want to divorce. I want to be able to
Mina I'm
divorce
saying
him.
to you, not unless uthola umuntu a guy omZulu othi yena. Yes, I know ukuthi ngivumelekile ukuba nabafazi abaningi, but angikuthandi, I don't believe in that. Ngifuna ukuba noyi1.
What if he changes his mind, Dlamini?
Nama ngisazi.
Because men do that.
Nama ngisa yabafowethu Why are you guys going against everything that is written even in the Bible? Because in the Bible, alivumi ukuthi divorce. Divorce is a sin before God.
I don't care.
Okay.
You look divorce phambane mina even within 2 weeks mina if ndiyabona ba ayikho le nto ndiyenze up. And I want to be able to do that.
But it's a sin.
Oh, human sin ke.
Okay.
You are God
does not allow it to divorce,
You ba usububhanqani you need to be able to divorce.
Listen, but when you divorce, ne? Ake sithi bushade nami. Divorce nami, right senhlukene ngithi. Ufuna ukushada futhi. You have
I don't.
Lalela, ufuna ukushada futhi again. Mhlambe 2-3 down years years later ufuna ukushada. You have to wait for me ngize ngife. Then usungashada.
For what reason?
That is the reason. You have to wait for another person to die. You cannot shada again omunye saphila.
Why?
iBhayibheli lisho kanjalo.
Suka. Ndizochata usaphile usabheke ngamehlo dlami.
That's how kumosheka izinto eziningi.
My Zulu dreams have just been shattered. It's fine.
La nje lapho khohlwa, just forget and forgive. Uma nje lapho.
Hayi anzokwazi ukushada umuntu engakwazi umdivorce mina.
Okay, uzubona indaba yesithembu ne. Say uyashada naye. Right? Uyashada, nishade senina 2-3 years. Akunamntwana okhona.
And akazobakho. I want to enjoy my marriage.
Akazobakho umntana. Remember, umntwana uyafuneka.
Why?
Especially as long kumfana, indlalifa iyafuneka.
Okay.
Umuntu ozothatha amandla kababa mangabe ubaba ephelelwa amandla.
I hear you.
You understand? So, ake sithi ke unfortunately uLisa akakhona ukuba nabantwana. What do we do then? Ila isithembu esingena khona ke.
So you need to allow him to have a second.
Yebo.
You are. Does I want to if mhlanda kuyo but ngegama lika Yesu I will never be in it in the name of Jesus Christ.
You rebuke.
I rebuke it.
Hey kunzima.
You just shattered.
Easy.
It's fine, you just shattered my Zulu dreams and the data base.
Askisi yebasuthwini.
So data babendla ngoba data. My Tswana men. Tswana gents ndikhona. 80% of my exes are Tswana.
Even though she's disappointed.
Let me stick to what I know. My Tswana men.
Yeah.
Oh bayandithanda.
Stay there.
Yeah, my masibaseka yes.
Lakuthina
No thank you very much.
kanjalo.
Vala Dlamini show.
Mina. Welcome _Dlamini 88 ku Instagram, Facebook it's welcome Dlamini, ku TikTok it's welcome Dlamini.
Danko.
Yabonga.
Sanibonani Dumelang Mzansi. Welcome to CMTV and yet another episode of Niyathembana Na. Do you trust each other? My name, of course, is Lisa Sira Mindombi Yasebecha, and I go around these streets testing your loyalty. And in the process, of course, I make sure Ziyampur. Best believe if you are Yuruza, I will find you. Stay tuned. It's about to go bananas.